Struggling with dull, dry, aging skin? No matter what creams you use? What if the real problem isn't on your skin, but inside your body? Hey everyone! Today we're talking about Derma Essential, a skincare supplement that's been getting a lot of buzz lately. But is it really worth it? Let's break it down. Most skincare products only work on the surface. You apply creams, serums, lotions, but the results never last. That's because the real cause of aging skin often comes from within. Things like collagen loss and oxidative stress. Derma Essential takes a completely different approach. Instead of covering up the problem, it works from inside your body to support collagen production, improve hydration, and help restore your skin's natural glow. So it's made with natural ingredients that are actually designed to nourish your skin at a deeper level. And what that really means is, you'll notice a smoother texture, fewer fine lines, better elasticity, and, honestly, just healthier looking skin over time. So, a lot of users are already sharing their results, saying their skin looks brighter, feels softer, and appears more youthful after consistent use. Honestly, it's pretty encouraging to hear so many positive stories. Now, let's be honest, this isn't an overnight miracle. You won't wake up with perfect skin in one day, but if you stay consistent, the results can be really impressive. Consistency is key, you know? So if you're tired of wasting money on products that don't actually fix the problem, Derma Essential might be worth trying. If you want to check it out, the official link is in the description below. And just a quick reminder, make sure you only buy from the official source to stay safe. Your journey to healthier, glowing skin might just start from within.